Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mr. D, and you're watching Refined Guitar Chops. This show is exclusively designed for all guitar beginners out there in this world, outside of this world, or wherever you are, basically. I'm here to help. So today, I'm going to be showing some tapping. Well, this might sound funny to all of you guitar pros, guitar police, but beginners have to start from somewhere too. Here we go. So I got 3 notes for you. It's F sharp, open B string, and D. So the pattern goes like this. One more time. So what you do basically, you tap the first note with your right hand with the hammer on, pull it up and release, and then hammer on. And a little bit closer. You can add G or switch between F sharp and G. So. And one more tip, you can tap with this finger or this finger. Well, theoretically you can do this too, but it's kind of weird. That's it. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comments below. And you can also find me and contact me on my Facebook fan page. The link is also in the description. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.